Hey guys, this is a open box / review of a comb from Metalworks Comb. I just received this in the mail today. This is the Sailor Blackout Edition. I ordered this on Monday and it arrived today. And today is Thursday. Quick shipping. I haven't seen any videos of unboxing, so let's get into it.
So let's go ahead and open this up. First thoughts, let's see. Let's just get right into it.
Okay, let's see. Nice packaging. 2 envelopes. Oh, no way. No way. You guys are amazing. So when I ordered this comb online, I saw that they had these little metal anchors and I forgot to purchase one, and I told them on Instagram that I meant to purchase one, and look what they did. They threw it on in there. You guys are awesome. Okay, let's see. Metal Comb Works, certified to last. Let's see, you probably can't see that, but let's go ahead and open that. Let's see what comes in here. Okay, some business cards, the anchor, and the comb. Oh yeah, look at that. It's pretty neat. Here's a little better look at it. Feels pretty solid to me. For some reason I was expecting it to be a little bigger, but I should have known, I should have measured myself, but this is perfect for a pocket. Perfect EDC. You guys are into that stuff. Super soft. Not flimsy at all. What else can I say about it? This ceramic coating that they say they put on it gives it nice little touch. Almost looks smudge proof. To get an idea of how big it is, here's your standard pocket knife, business card. You know, has some nice weight to it. It's a comb. I bought this, not sure if it's, well, I guess comb any kind of hair. Doesn't necessarily have to be for your head, could be for a beard. I'll go ahead and put this to the test. So here's my hair currently. I've got some Layrite in there. Been working all day. I'm actually a mobile dog groomer. So let's go through. So my camera died, and just gonna use my cell phone. Here's the comb. Pretty nice wide tooth. Just run it through. Oh, look at that great hair right there. Not bad. Runs through nice. I give this 5 teeth.